Hello, my name is Mariana, and I'm gonna make a little paper crane, and I'm gonna tell a story about a little crane's leap. So what you'll need is a piece of paper that's square, just like this, regular square paper. Any type of paper will do. Also you need a string with two tape at the side, a tape right here at the end of the string, tape at the beginning of the string. We need that later on. And that's it. So what you need for this paper, you're gonna fold it down just like this, like a hot dog, and you're gonna fold it right in the middle, like a wallet. And then what you have is this line right in the middle. So you're gonna fold that one down. You're gonna open it up. And you have many lines, like a star. And you're gonna hold it like a diamond. And what you're gonna do is grab these corners and put it right in the middle, right here. We're gonna grab this and put it right here. And we're gonna grab this and put it right here. And you're gonna grab it like that. Just like that. And as you can see, we have a big mouth right here. So what we're going to do is fold it down that mouth. Now the mouth is closed. Now what you're going to do is you have a line in the middle, right? This line is very important. So we're going to grab this little corner and put it right in the middle of the line. How we do that, I'll show you. Grab it like this. Fold it just like that, right in the middle. And doesn't have to be perfect, unless you wanted it to. And then we do the same thing to the other side. Grab the corner, put it right in the middle. And then you have like a long triangle. And then the most important part is it looks like this, and you have a little triangle on top, this big triangle. And then we're going to fold this little triangle down. Push it really, really tight. And then you're going to open it up, and then you do the same thing to the other side. Push it, push it, push it, push it, and then you open it. And then the next part, you open the doors. And then you put this finger right here and hold this part down. Why? Because you're going to open the mouth. You're going to flatten down the mouth. And you're going to push this little side right towards the middle. You're going to do the same thing to the other side. And bam. And it's supposed to look like this. Two big doors. And then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Open the doors. Put your finger right in the triangle, bottom triangle. And then you're going to open the mouth. And then you're going to grab the doors and flatten it out. If you need to pause the video to do this part, you may. Now we have two big doors that run around. So what we're going to do is grab this corner, this part, and we're going to do the same thing and just put it right in the middle. Again, it does not have to be perfect. Like that. What I did is I just flattened it right here in the middle. That looks like a long triangle. And then you do the same thing to this side. Flatten it out. And then we're going to do next is flip it to the other side and do the same exact thing. grab the little side, put it right in the middle to a long triangle shape. Just like that. And now we have a small skinny door running around. And then what we'll do next is put it just like this, center it to yourself, and then you open the doors again. Like that. And now you have two little horns. What you'll do next is most important. You hold it down, you hold your finger down right in this middle line, press it, and then we're going to grab this little part and then we're going to push it up. And open mouth. Do the same thing to the other side. You put your finger right here and then you push this part up. Just like this. And then you center it to yourself and you open the doors again. And then this part is the most funnest part. You bend the wings like this. And you can make either part the tail or the head. I want this part to be the head. So we're going to do that. We're going to bend down the sharp head. Like this. So the story of the little crane is a little crane was made. It sat all alone, scared to go up, scared to go. The bigger cranes flew high and wide. Little crane, big wings, sharp head, stayed inside. I must want to fly, but what if they say my wings are too weird? And to join the group they deny. The wind then whispered, soft and true. Big cranes were once made and once new. With a big leap, its crooked wings. Will you teach me? The big crane smiled. Come and see. The shoulder had the flap. Shoulder had to glide. Shoulder had to spin. And was so free, up it went. All because little cranes, one leap, it made friends. So we're going to do the tape and the string. You're going to put it right on his stomach right here, or his back. You're going to grab the other side. You're going to put it, you hang it up wherever you want. Oops. Hang it up wherever you want. In your ceiling, in your bathroom, in your bedroom, wherever you want. As long as you ask your parents. I'll put it up here. Up, it's flying and gliding with his two little friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, please comment. And to those who are wondering why I picked this and why this story, well, that is because when I was a kid, I had trouble speaking up to scary adults. And then I had trouble making friends. So I thought this story will help other kids to branch out and make friends. My activity is storytelling with paper origami. As you can see, it is the art of folding paper, creating shapes, using scissors, glue, tape, string. It's whatever you want. It's mostly with paper, with precise folding. It's to use creative expressions as I did with paper crane over here. I will use this activity in my living room. It's dark right now, but anyways, my advice is to aim to toddlers and preteens. It's to teach kids under the age of 9 or 10 to help them understand that it's okay to ask for help to adults. And yeah, I hope to grab kids' attention with this art form of origami. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and let me know if you have any questions again. Thank you.